Hello, welcome to this video tutorial on how to get your terminated Amazon KDP account back. My name is Anie'sam. Okay, in this video I will be showing you the steps, what I did for Amazon to reinstate my account back. How I got my account back is what I will be showing you people in this video. Okay, so this is how to respond to Amazon emails to avoid termination. Before Amazon close your account, they will first of all send you a message, send you an email stating the things that you did wrong in a particular book or books that they may like you to go and correct. Okay, so when they send that message to you, please don't ignore, respond immediately. If they ask you to take an action on something, please respond immediately with politeness. Okay, just appeal to them, say, okay, you did not know that what the book had that issues, that you will fix it as soon as possible. Respond immediately with politeness. Tell Amazon that you had no idea and that you will fix the issue. Sorry, I made a mistake there. That you will fix the issue. Okay, once you tell them like that, once you respond like that, you go back to the book that they mentioned and try and see if you can be able to fix the issue. Okay, but to me, if Amazon send me a message concerning the status of concerning the problem that my book is having, complaining about my book, I will ask them to move the book to draft. And what I will do is that I will not go ahead with the book anymore. I can take the book and publish in any other platform, or what I will do is that I'll go and correct that error that they asked me to correct, but I will not publish again in Amazon. After correcting the error, I will take the book to Kobo. I will publish the book on Kobo or any other platform. Barnes and Nobles, I will leave it there. Although those ones are not really popular, they don't really have should I say client, or how should I say, is it customer, like, let me say audience. They don't really have audience like Amazon, so it will not really sell. You hardly make sales there, like unlike Amazon. But I don't mind, I'll publish it there rather than republishing the book in my Amazon KDP, because you might correct the issue and at the end of the day they will still that book, you might not know if what you did, if the correction is enough for you to upload the book again back in your Amazon KDP account, and they may still see another fault, and before you know it, they will go ahead and terminate your account. Okay, so I don't when I receive a mail like that, I will ask them to move the book to draft, and once the book is in draft, I'll forget about that book entirely. I'll go ahead and publish another new book. Okay, so that is that. Okay, be calm with your response. One of the things is that when Amazon send you a message, be calm. But I will tell you the truth. The first email I sent to them, I was not calm. I was angry because they were supposed to pay me my royalty, let's say 6 days ahead. Was it 7 days ahead? It was 7 days ahead of the time they terminated my account, and I really expected that money, because I was broke. I was a bit broke that time, so I was expecting to receive that royalty. And at the end of the day, they sent me that email that they have terminated my account. I was mad. I was not calm with them. I sent a message to them. In fact, I will show you that message. Let me pause the video and show you the email that I sent to them. So this is the email that I sent to them. I'm sure that I received this message in error because all the books that I have been publishing on Amazon are all mine. I wrote them by myself. I cannot read all this to you people, so if you want to read it, you can pause this video and read it. Okay, so this was what I sent to them. If you read it till the end, you will know that I was very angry. In fact, there are some things I said to them which I'm not supposed to say. But because I was angry, I did not care if they are going to open the account back or not. I did not care. There are some situations that you realize that if you try to handle the problem amicably, you might not find solution. So all you have to do is for you to be strict, okay. And once they see that you are kind of being violent, they will look into the matter again, and they will say, okay, this person is really, really upset. What could be the problem? Is it true that his or her account is not was terminated in error? Or let's look into the matter again. They will look into it again. And another thing is that you have to keep sending them mail every day. You also check your mail every day. Send them mail every day and also check your mail every day. All right. So if they complain about trademark, book title, copyrighted content or covers that you may not have the full right to use, then email them to move the book to draft, like I said before. After that, leave the book and move on. If you know that you can't provide what they ask you to provide to prove your right over those or the things you used for your book creation, of which they've mentioned in the email. I believe this particular text is self-explanatory. All right. So the reason why Amazon will terminate your account, the reason why Amazon terminates their author's account, okay? These are the things that these are the things that may cause Amazon to terminate your account. If you do any of these things, it means that your account may be at risk, and Amazon might terminate your account very, very soon. Okay, so one of the things is publish and unpublish. Maybe you publish a book and later you find out that book you did not write it well, or maybe there's a particular part in the book interior that you needed to put something diagram, or you needed to add a particular text or a particular paragraph, these things like that, and you decided to unpublish the book and take the book down so that you can re-edit the book again and upload. Amazon doesn't find it funny. Things like that, they might not block your account, they might not terminate your account at that moment, but if you keep doing that in many of your books, they will not be happy about it, and that can lead to your account termination. And also copyright infringement, using a book that does not belong to you, another person's work, you use it to form or to create your own book. Amazon will not like it, and they might terminate your account because of that. All right, what Amazon wants is for you to publish a book that belongs to you, a book that you create by yourself. That is what they want. Okay, so that is it. Another one is plagiarism covers, using already existing cover designs someone used before in Amazon KDP that can be found on public domain. Okay, for you to, especially let's say book cover that someone has used before in a particular book, and you go to that and you use that particular book cover and change the title, change the subtitle, put your own book title and your book subtitle, you edit the book cover, but it's the same design. All you do is for you to change the title and the subtitle, and you use it and publish your book. Amazon will detect it, and one of the tools you can use, you yourself can use and detect if this cover is already, if this cover design is a public domain this thing. If this cover is online, is rampant in the internet, what you will do is for you to do like this. Let's say this is my browser. Come here, use tineye.com. Sorry, I forgot to mention it. Oh my god, my phone is hanging. Okay, tineye.com. Solution, see the solution here, use tineye.com. Okay, so we are going to that particular let me check. I opened it somewhere around here. All right, this is a website. This website is the one that will help you to know if the cover that you want to use has been used before by another person or another author in publishing. Okay, so this website will help you to find out. Network. Okay, it has opened. This is the website, tineye.com. I believe you can see it very well. tineye.com. Okay, once you search it, it will open like this. All you have to do is for you to click here. All you have to do is for you to click there and upload a picture. Just click there and upload a picture. The cover, after designing the cover from your Canva, Photoshop or wherever, and you want to upload it to know if it is rampant online. Okay, for example, let me use this design, this thing that I created yesterday from my gallery. Let me upload it. Okay, you can see. So it simply means that it is not, this particular image is not rampant online. All right, it's not rampant online. You cannot see it on Google. So it means if I use this, okay, let's assume that this is my book cover. If I use this and publish my book, there is no problem, because this website has shown me that there's no match online. There's no match online anywhere in the internet. It cannot be found anywhere in the internet. Okay, so let me upload another picture. It's a picture that can be found online. A popular picture. Let me pause this video. I'll play it when I'm done. Okay, let me use this this football. I downloaded this football from the internet. Let me see if it will show that it can be found online. But you can see. So if I use this football and create my book cover, if I use this image now and create my book cover, Amazon will have a very big problem with me, because this football is rampant on the internet, and they will show you the site that you can see this football. These are the website that you can see all that same image. This is the website that you can see that same image. Okay, so if you use it make your book cover, then Amazon will not find it funny, and your account, that can lead to your account termination. Okay, so you have to be very careful. This tineye.com is a very, very useful tool for you to use and know if you should use a cover. Forget, you can download, you can create an image, you can create a cover from your Canva, not knowing that same thing Canva also shows it to another person, another user. That same cover, another person using Canva has used it. So now, and the person, let's say the person is using it to publish his or her book on Amazon, and now you are also using this same thing over here, that same cover over here, and publish in Amazon. Amazon will detect, they will find out, because it's the same platform that you and that person are publishing your books with the same cover. Amazon will detect. Okay, so tineye.com is very, very important to help you know if you should go ahead and publish your book cover in Amazon or not. Okay, let's move over to the next one. All right, so tineye.com, teen content. Another thing that will make Amazon to terminate your account is teen content. Minimum pages of book creation less than Amazon authorized pages. Publishing a book that let's say Amazon says that paperback, you cannot publish paperback if the pages is not up to 24 or 29 or something, and then you publish your paperback book that has less than the number of pages that the minimum number of pages that they required, Amazon will not be happy with you. I'm sure you might not be able to, you might not even be able to publish that particular book. Okay, so thin content, it's very, very bad, and it can lead to your account termination. Okay, so the next thing, publishing same book twice or more. Let's say you have published a book before, and by mistake, I'm not sure someone can make such mistake, but let's just say by mistake you republish the same book again 2 times. Amazon will terminate your account. Okay, so the next thing is trademarks. Covers, it could be covers, text, logos, images. All right, let's say trademarks, all those signs, let's say scent, all those notorious signs, I mean for text that you will use and for create your book cover, all those notorious signs that you use, that you will see and you use and create your own book, not knowing that those small signs stands for something. It could be a company sign, it could be a business, individual business, registered business sign, and you just use it. And if Amazon see it, they will also detect it. They have tools more than we publishers do. So there are tools. They will also know how to know where all these things are coming from. Okay, so it could be covers, text, logos, images that belongs to other people. You use it and create your book cover. Amazon will terminate your account for doing that. Okay, keyword stuffing in the title, using one or more different keywords as a book title that does not relate. Using one or more different keywords as a book title that doesn't relate, Amazon will also terminate your account. Keyword stuffing in the author name. Keyword stuffing in the author name. This includes putting famous author's name as your book, as your author name. If you go to Amazon, you will realize that there are some people that has already in fact, there are authors, many authors in Amazon that have published for a very, very long time. So they have a name already. Some are using their real name, their real names. They have a name already that if you mention some of their names to Amazon staff, they will know who you are talking about. So imagine using their name to create your own pen name, and you use it and publish a book. Amazon will terminate your account. Okay, so you have to be very, very careful with that. Publishing on a trademark term. This means modeling a book that was or is already published on Amazon by another author. A book that was already published, and then you go and model. You model the same, let's say the same thing. If you model the same thing, if let's say the only way you can escape this is if you are doing it as a summary model, and you put a review of or summary of, then you put the name of the book followed by the main author's name. Then Amazon will know that this is a summary book. But if you just go and carry it the way it is and publish, Amazon will not like it. Okay. Another thing that could lead to your account termination is adding your book in irrelevant categories that doesn't relate to your book title. Okay, let's say you are publishing a book on health, and you go and you put your book in 3 categories that does not relate to health. That is a misleading it may cause a misleading customer experience. So Amazon will send you a message that you should change the category that you enroll your book, and if you fail to put the category, your book in the right category, Amazon may or might terminate your account. So this is very, very important. Okay, one of the tools that can help you to know the right category for you to put your book is a website called bookboat.com. bookboat.com. Just go and type bookboat.com. Make sure you are here. Okay, you can use this bookboat and create your color books. You can use and create your notebooks, any kinds of books except evergreen books and summary books. You cannot use this particular tool and create them. Okay, so this is how you can use this to this website and know the right category that you should put your book. Okay, once you are here, make sure that you are here. The website is, you can see the website up here. Just type bookboat.io. bookboat.io, that's the name of the website. Once you are here, make sure you click here. Make sure you click this place, this three dot up here. Make sure you click there. Once you click there, let me zoom in. Once you click there, you will see category, KDP category finder. You can click that KDP category finder. Once you click it, okay, let's say you want to publish your book title is about love or relationship. Let me use relationship. Once you type relationship like that, you search and wait for it to load. Okay, any three from here, now you can only put your book in three categories on Amazon. So any three of these particular categories, it will be okay. All right, so you can copy any of them. Now you can copy any of them. You go to Amazon KDP, you go and check self-help. Inside that self-help, there's a relationship category. Then you put it. Self-help, there is a relationship. Marriage, you put it because it's about relationship. Self-help, from that self-help you will see relationship, you will see friendship, you put it, and stuff like that. If you can even put, let's say your book is about sport or business, then you search, it will come out like this. It will come out. These are the right categories that if you put your book under, then Amazon will not quarrel you. These are the best categories that you can put your book. Okay, if you are publishing a book, if you are modeling a sporting book or a sport book, this is the right category that you can use. Okay, this only give you a directive on how to go about adding categories to your book. All right, so once you follow this step, you go to category, you go to calendar, sport, you go to romance, you will see sport, law, specialties, you will see sport. So things like this. If you come down here, you see humor and entertainment. Humor, you will see sport, and then if you put your book in any of these in Amazon, if you follow this step in Amazon and you put your book, there will be no problem. Okay, so that's how Bookboat works. Okay, let's go back to the next. Okay, duplicate content. This include using the same interior for multiple books with different titles and covers. 2. Downloading and re-uploading a pre-made interior. Pre-made interiors on Amazon. 3. Always make your book interior unique by adding your own designs. Okay, I don't want this video to be very long because we still have a lot to talk about. Okay, so I believe this particular part is self-explanatory. No need for me to spend time to explain this. Okay, so let's move to another slide. Plagiarism. Always check your images and text to know there are no duplicates found online. Okay, always check your images to know if I have shown you how to do that. Okay, for you to check your images, you use thineye.com. For you to check for text, you use Grammarly Premium. Okay, for you to know if this text someone has used it, and of course, if you use keyboard and paraphrase it, it might not really show. It might not show. It will not show that this text someone else has used it. It will change the whole sentence. It will change everything. Okay, so nobody will really know if it has been used. That sentence has been used before. Okay, so for you to check for your ChatGPT text, use originality.ai. Okay, someone told me that someone once told me that his account was once terminated. He lost one of his accounts because of getting text from or getting content from ChatGPT. Because of that, Amazon terminated his account. It was very sad. So it means that even ChatGPT that you are getting content from, it also it's not 100% okay for you to get your content from ChatGPT. One of the best way you can do that is for you to paraphrase after getting your content from ChatGPT. Always make sure that you paraphrase that content before you use it. Okay, paraphrasing the content will change the sentence. It will make the text to look original. Okay, and you can use it without any problem. What to do if Amazon has terminated your account? What to do if Amazon KDP terminate your Amazon KDP account? Okay, so if you realize that your account has been terminated, this is what you should do. Number one thing you have to do is for you to be calm. You have to be calm, all right, and file for an appeal by sending a message to Amazon. File for an appeal by sending a message to Amazon. This is how to do that. Just come over to your okay, let me finish. Let me explain them, then I will show you people later. Okay, send an apology mails to the Amazon emails below. Okay, this first email here is one of their staff. Amazon staff. So if you send an email to this first email here, then it means that you are sending the person their staff that is working under Amazon content review, which is this Jeff will see the mail. Okay, that is the department he is working under. This is the email. Make sure you send an email to this emails. Send a mail to this email that I'm writing down, jeff@amazon.com, then csreply@amazon.com. Okay, and that same mail that you are sending is what you will be sending to other emails. That same mail, you copy it after sending it to jeff@amazon.com. You also take it to, you send it to this second one. You also take it and send it to this third one, merch sellers contact us at amazon.com. You send it to them. Okay, and another thing is that you go to your Amazon KDP account, try and locate contact us. Once you locate contact us, you click on it. Once you click on contact us, there's a blank space that you will see there. You paste that same that same mail, you paste it there and you send it to them. Okay, so let me show you how to generate an apology mail. Let me show you how to generate it so that you can do it if in case your account is terminated. All right, so what you do here is you come to your ChatGPT and generate a text. Let me ask ChatGPT okay, this is what you write. This is what I write. Write me an apology message to Amazon KDP to reinstate my account back, and that I shall not repeat the same mistake I made in the future. Okay, or in my future book submission. You can just write something that ChatGPT will understand and give you a text. Okay. Okay, this is what it's bringing out. Okay, so after this, you edit this. You will edit this, take it to Google Docs. Let me go over to Google Docs. I'll edit it here. I'll edit it. No need for me to set up my Google Docs app, because I'll copy it and take it to keyboard paraphrase. I just want to edit some things. Okay, this, you copy it, you delete it, you delete it, you delete this. Okay, you can keep this one so that you paste. You can also remove it, but as for me, I'm removing it. Let me see. Okay, it's important. Let it be. It's important. Scroll down. You put your name, but for now, you have to remove it. You put your name after paraphrasing it. I'm seeing phone number here. You remove this phone number. You can as well remove this entirely. Okay. Alright, so once you're done, you select all and cut, then go to keyboard. I host my keyboard in Kiwi browser. Okay, so I'm going to Kiwi browser now to paste my keyboard. Okay, here we are. So I'm going to paste my text here and paraphrase. Okay, so that it will look original. And after paraphrasing the text, also check grammar. Okay, so check for grammar. Check for grammar. Let me pause this video. I'll play when it's done paraphrasing. So it has finished paraphrasing the text. So all you have to do is for you to come here and copy it. Come over here and click on grammar check. Click on grammar check. Once you are here, you paste it here. Okay, you paste it here. You paste it here, and this will check for grammar. For grammar error, this will correct the grammar error in this text. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. it says fix all errors. Click on it, fix all errors. Then all errors will be fixed. Then you click on copy down here. Sorry, I click on something else. Click on copy down here. Once you are done, then let me go back to my Amazon KDP account. This my account was terminated I think on February. It's closed, so you come here and click on contact us. If you don't see contact us, just come here and click on help. Up here you see help, click on help, and then you contact us by the left, click it. Once you click contact us by the left, you wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading and it will appear like this. Okay, click here. How can we help? Click the second one. After clicking the first one, also click the second one. Appear account termination. Okay, then delete this text that is here. Delete them. Click it. You paste. Remember, you have to put your name here at the end. So I'm putting my name here. Okay, I'm putting my name here, and I will send it to them. Then click on send message. Click on it. Okay, and that same message, okay, that same mail that you sent to them, you also come here to your email and you paste it here. Okay, you paste it here. You paste it here. Remember, this was subject, so you will cut it and paste it here. Subject, this is subject of the mail, so you paste it here. And then remember, those email now that I show you people the other time. The email that I show you the other time, the email is Jeff. The email is one of the email is jeff@amazon.com. So you type it, Jeff@Amazon. I've sent an email to him before, so you click it. Once you click it, once you click it, then all these spaces you close, you reduce the spaces, okay, reduce the spaces, okay, and then you write your name. I can put 2, can put 3. Okay, so that is that. You can highlight all and copy. So that you will send to another email. Okay, so click on compose again. We are going to send it to another email. Another email is csreply@amazon.com. okay, I've sent it to them before. Look at it up here. Click on it. Okay, once you're done, subject, you click. Let me check subject. Okay, that's subject of the mail. then you paste. No need for you to, if you read it, it's an apology. This thing is an appeal, showing them how sorry you are, telling them how sorry you are. This, I am really sorry for what I did and the repercussion it had. I've carefully read the Amazon KDP policies, and if you read all of them, you'll see that it's an apology. Then what you do here is that you click on send. You click on send. Once you're done, you also send it, that same thing, you also send it to another mail, another email. Okay, the other one is merge sellers. Look at it here, merge sellers. Okay, the date slide down here. The date slide down here. Merge sellers. Merge sellers, contact us at amazon.com. So you go here, you come and send message again. Merge. Once you click it, it will come out. I've sent it to them before, but you that have not sent it to them before, you have to type it. Okay, so subject of the mail, you delete this one and you paste that same thing. That same thing. Okay, and then you click send. Okay, let me see if they have they send a message. Okay, let's click this message and see. They send an email. Let's see this email. This is an automatic email to confirm we have which of them is this? Okay, the second one we sent, csreply@amazon.com. okay, so you can see your email, your mail. They have received your mail. So this is just a confirmation to prove that they have received your email. Okay, so that is it. So let's see if that is the end. Okay, that is the end. So I'm just showing you how you can generate an apology or an appeal text from ChatGPT. You paraphrase it, you check grammar, you now edit it, then you send it to them. They also send another message. Sorry, I always use message whenever I want to mention email. Anyway, it's also a message anyway. So they also send another email. Now there's another email coming in. Nobody, a message from Amazon customer review. Okay, so I will not go into reading that. So let's proceed. Okay, and the next thing for you to do, remember the topic was what to do if Amazon has terminated your Amazon KDP account. Okay, so we stop at this email addresses. Then the next thing you have to do is for you to contact Ally. Ally means allianceindependentauthors.com. allianceindependentauthors.com. Okay, so if you go here, if you go to your browser and type alliance, okay, it's allianceindependentauthors.org. Please guys, sorry, I made a mistake. Not .com, it is .org. Okay, it's .org. Let me edit that. allianceindependentauthors.org. Okay, I made a mistake, so let me correct it. .org. That's the website, allianceindependentauthors.org. Make sure that there's no spaces. Once you are here, you have to pay some money. You have to pay them some money before they will allow you to access their platform. Okay, you have to pay them some money. I think it's about $70 or so. One of my friend is their member. So he's the one that I send my details to, and from him now, he now send it to Ally. So as you can see, they will ask you to sign in if you have signed up before. They will ask you to sign up. If you have signed up before, then you click on login. Okay, and once you become their member, all you have to do is for you to click contact here, something like that. But now that I'm not yet their member, so you see your name and your message, you type here, you can contact them. You type here that they have terminated your Amazon KDP account. You are not going to send that same email that you sent to all those email addresses. You are not going to send that one. This one you will send it. This one you send a different email stating that they have terminated your Amazon has terminated your Amazon KDP account, and that you will like them to appear on your behalf so that you can get your account back. Okay, all they will do is that they know someone inside Amazon KDP that they will talk to, and that person will help them restore your account back. Okay, so you click here, you type your message here, you put your account and your login details, you type it and put everything here, your message, you put your email, that email address that your Amazon KDP has been sending a mail to. Okay, so you put that email here, the one that you have been using to send this thing to Amazon KDP, send it to them, your name, everything, just fill. And inside this message, make sure that you include your details, your login details, your email and your password, something like that. Put in your details so that when they send from this website, they will now contact them. Then after contacting them, they will now pay attention. One thing is that Amazon KDP, they always listen to anybody that is using this platform. Any message that is coming from this platform, they always pay attention, and they will look into the solution. Okay, if this particular this is an organization for all authors. I don't know if it's in the world or something. You have to pay before you join. Okay, you have to pay before you join. So this is an organization in which all authors can join. If you are an author and you feel like joining them, you are free. And after joining them, things will not be that difficult for you, unlike when you were not their member. Okay, because if you have problem with Amazon KDP, it's not only Amazon KDP alone. If you publish in other platforms like Kobo, Barnes and Nobles, and Apple, and all the rest, and you are encountering difficulty, and you reach out to this particular platform, if you are their member, you talk to them, you submit your details, they will help you appear on your behalf. They will appear to that publishing platform on your behalf, and they will look into it, and within some days your account will be restored. Okay, so this is very, very important. This is very, very important website. You have to join if you want to. If you feel like joining, I've not joined because I did not have money to pay and join. It's my friend that helped me. He's also a publisher. So if you want to join, not a member yet, sign in. You just put in your details. Once you put in your details, the next thing is that they will ask you for payment. They will ask you for card, this and that. They will tell you the amount on how you, if you have the money, you pay, and then you tell them your problem. From there, they will reach out to Amazon, and you might get your account back. Chances of you getting your account back from this particular platform is very big. Okay, it's possible that you can get your account back. All right, so that is that. Let's move on to another thing. Okay guys, if your Amazon KDP was terminated without them telling you your offense. Okay, then you send a message to them. You will send a message to them. Tell them that if they don't disclose your offense to you, so it means their action in terminating your Amazon KDP account is illegal. For example, let me go to WhatsApp. I want to show you people a message someone sent to me yesterday. Okay, guys, someone sent me this yesterday. This is a screenshot. She sent it to my WhatsApp and said that Amazon terminated her account, and they did not tell her the reason why they had to terminate her account. So they just told her that her account has been terminated. If you read here, you see that they did not tell. I'm not sure they tell her the reason why they terminated the account here. I'm not sure. So, unlike I said before, tell them that for them to close your account without telling you the reason for closing your account, it means that it is illegal. Although it is their business, yes, you are also putting in much work in their platform. Without you creating a book, they will not sell it. And when they sell it, one way or the other, they are gaining from you. Yes, 30% royalties that they will remove. Is that your money that they will remove? Okay, so it's not that you are using their platform for free totally, no. And you selling books there, it also means something. You selling using their platform to do business, you are also promoting their platform. And what they will do for you in return is for them to pay you the money that you make there. Okay, so for them to close your account without telling you the main reason, the actual reason, that is illegal. Forget that I said the other time you have to be calm. There are some times, there are some situations that you have to voice out your mind. Tell somebody that this thing is wrong. Like one of the email I sent to them, I did not care if they are going to open the account back or not. I was very angry because they were supposed to pay me 6 days after, but they decided to terminate my account. I was angry. If you go and read if you go and pause the video and watch and read that my email, you will notice that I was angry with them. I was very angry with them, and today my account is back. Sometimes you don't settle matter with peace, you settle matter with violence. There are some people that if you talk to them amicably, they will not really know how serious you are. They will not understand you. But if you start talking to them harshly, if you start talking to them rudely, they will now pay attention. They will say, why is this person reacting like this? Oh, they will now check what the problem is. If the reason why you are reacting like that is okay. So they will now look into it and say, okay, then let's look into it, and they will solve the problem. Just like police coming to your house to arrest you, police will not just come and say, you are under arrest, so let's go to the station. Police will tell you that you are under arrest for committing this kind of crime. So for that reason, you are under arrest. If you say anything, it will be used against you in the court of law. That is the normal way to handle a situation. They will first tell you what you did. They will not just come to your house and say you are under arrest. Oh yeah, to the station, move. You follow them. It's not done like that. So if they terminated your account without telling you the main reason why they terminate your account, that is illegal. That is illegal, and you have the boldness to tell them. Okay, that was what I told them in the first email before I later calmed down and start sending them message politely. And today my account is back. Okay, so sometimes when you want to do something, you don't have to care if they are going to do it for you, if they will open it back, or if they will not open it back. Just go ahead and do what is in your mind. Okay, without sending anybody. If you like, vex. If you don't like, leave them. Waiting there in my mind, I don't talk them. Waiting, you could do nothing. Okay, if you like, open them. If you don't open them, I could still open another account. If you like, you will restore the account, but if you not like them, leave them. I could still open another account. So just waiting in your mind, voice out, tell them that they are wrong. Don't say, because they are the owner of the platform. Guy, leave that thing. Waiting in your mind, tell them what is in your mind, okay? So let's go to another slide. Sorry, this video is going to be long. I'm sorry about that. It's because it's important. So let me just make sure that I'm fast so that we will not spend a lot of time. Okay? Alright. Send the above message through email to them, to Kindle Content Review. Okay? Please take note of this. Take note of this. It's very, very important. When you go to your email, address, you will see something like this. All those when they approve your book, if you publish a book on Amazon, they approve your book. It's these people, this department, they are the one that always approve someone's book. So if you are sending this message to them, then you should send it to this email. If you type it in your email, it will come out. Then you send the message to them. Okay, let them know that you know your right. Okay, for them to terminate your account because they have right to do so. It also means that you, the owner of the account, they're terminated because you created the account, you own the account. The account is registered in your name, you own it. So you also have the right. It's not only them that have the right because it's their platform. You using their platform and the platform bears your name, you have the right also. Okay? So send the mails that your account is closed in error if you know you didn't do anything bad. If you know you didn't do anything bad, send them. Tell them that your account is closed in error. Okay, if you know you did not commit any offense, and if you actually violated their content guidelines, then go to ChatGPT and generate an appeal message stating that you are very sorry that you didn't know that what you did was wrong and that it was a mistake and you didn't want it to violate their guidelines purposely. Okay, like I showed you people in the other slide, in the earlier, like I showed you earlier, paraphrase it, check for grammar. You can use ChatGPT and get your content, your text. You edit it, you paraphrase it, you check for grammar before sending the text to them. Okay, generate and edit the text. All right. Okay, in that same mail, tell them to block or remove any of your books that may cause a misleading customer experience from your KDP account. I also said that. I once told them like that they should remove any book that they think it causing problem in Amazon. If any of my book is misleading customers experience, they should block the book or remove the book from sales. That was what they did. Okay, after opening the account, but let me go and show you my KDP. Let me pause this video. Okay, guys, this is the account that I got back. The account that I got back. You can see here that they have blocked so many books. They have blocked so many books because that was what I told them. I told them instead of closing my account because one book is the problem. Because one book have an issue. Okay, so why not block that particular book? Why not close any book that you think it's having problem with you people? That book that I published that is violating your content guidelines. Block that one. Any of my book that is violating Amazon content guidelines, just go ahead and block that one. Remove it from sales. Okay, so if you check here, you will see that all these books are blocked. They are blocked. That was what I asked them to do. There are many of them that are blocked. Okay, many of them are blocked. Okay, which is fine. At least the money that I made, the small money that I made is still there, and other books are still there. And I will not go through any stress of opening another Amazon KDP account. So let me enter another page so that you will see that many of my books are blocked. All right, many of my books are blocked. Very bad, but it's fine. At least I still have access to the account, and I can still publish, I can still make sales. All right, so you can see many of my books are blocked. So that is it. Okay, tell them your mind. Don't just say, Amazon, take it easy, be calm. Sometimes you don't have to be calm on something. If you don't do like, if you don't shake ground, nobody will know that you are serious. All right, so that is it. Okay, so ensure while sending them the email, ensure them in that same email not to ever repeat the same mistake again in future, that you have learned a lesson. Ensure them that your future book submissions shall be properly checked before publishing them, to avoid submitting a book that may violate their rules and or cause a misleading customer experience. Give them time to review your account again. All right, maybe 2 weeks or 1 month. Okay, so if all that you do, if all these things that you applied, sending them message, sending different, sending them email, sending a mail to different to their different emails, and sending a message to them through Amazon KDP account, that place that they normally show contact us, you send a message to them through that part. And you also send message to the 3 email addresses, or is it 4 email addresses that I show you people earlier, and they still not open your account back. So the next step, I will show you the next thing for you to do. All right, okay. So if you do all that and you wait after 1 month, let's say 1 month, mine is 2 weeks or 3 weeks, something like that. But if you wait like 1 month, they still don't restore your account back, then you will go into the next step. All right, set up your device, phone and PC. Okay, so I will show you how to do that right away. Okay, so if Amazon terminates your account and you try sending them emails, you send them different emails, you send them apology emails for them to open your account back, and they still insist that they will not open your old account back, and after some time you feel like opening another Amazon KDP account. Okay, there are things you have to know, there are things you must do before you open that new Amazon KDP account, else they will still come back for you. Amazon will still come back and flag that new account that you open. Okay, so the number one thing that you have to do is for you to set up the old Amazon KDP account. That is, if you still want to use that old browser. Sorry, you have to set up the old Amazon KDP browser, the browser that you used and in hosting that your previous Amazon KDP account that was terminated. You have to set it up. Okay, so that if you host another new Amazon KDP account, they will not know. If you just if you use that same browser and create another Amazon KDP account without doing these things that I want to show you now, they will still come back for you. They will detect that it is still you that is coming back, that is using this other account, and they might not even close that account immediately. They will wait for you to start making money, start publishing day and night, and start making sales. And when that money accumulates to something bigger, they will now flag that account. They will now close that account. Okay, so these are the things you should do. Okay, unless you want to use another browser. Okay, and even that, you still have to do one thing. Even if you want to use another browser, there are other setups you must do. Okay, you don't just go and use another browser. Maybe you were using Chrome before to host your previous Amazon KDP account that was terminated, and now you feel that, oh, maybe you should use a Kiwi browser and open the new Amazon KDP account, and then you move to Kiwi browser, you use that and open your new Amazon KDP account. And there are things you should also do before you go to another. So as I was saying, you want to open a new Amazon KDP account after they might have terminated your old previous Amazon KDP account. All you have to do is for you to do these steps that I want to show you. Even if you are using a new browser, you still have to do these things. Even if you are using that old browser, you still have to do this thing that I want to show you. Okay, so first of all, you will set up the old Amazon KDP browser. All right. Okay, what you have to do there is that you will delete and clear your old browser caches and cookies. Okay, let's assume that this is where I'm using. Let's assume that I use Chrome to host my Amazon KDP account, the old one that was terminated. Okay, let me open a new tab. Okay, so all you have to do is for you to come here. All you have to do is for you to come here, click this three dots that is here. All right, click these three dots that is here. When you click that three dots, find settings, look for setting, click that setting. Once you click it, sorry, it's not site setting. You'll come to security and privacy and security. Click here, privacy and security. Once you click on privacy and security, then up here you will see clear browsing data, clear history, cookies and site data, caches. You click that. Once you click that, cookies and site data, caches, images and files. Okay, just come here. So once you are here, you click browsing history, clear history from all synced devices. Leave that side. Click on the second one. Make sure that this second one is on you. You click on it. This one's here. Make sure you click on them. This one's here. Make sure you click the two of them. Make sure you click the two of them. The two of them. Click it. Tick this small box. Tick the box. Then you click on clear down here. Sorry. Make sure you click on clear down here. Why is this thing doing like this? Okay. So make sure you click on clear down here. Clear data. Click on clear data down here. So once you click on clear data, you also come here. Click on advanced up here. Click on advanced up here. Once you click on advanced, you click on this particular one, catch emails and files. You click on cookies and site data. All right. You click on okay, that's all. Save password. You also click on it if you want, but if you don't want, you can remove it so that as you are clearing the data, some passwords that you in some website that you put will not be removed, such that if you want to log in to some sites that you might have forgotten their password, you will not find it. You will not have any difficulty signing in. Okay, so after doing that, you now click on this place. You click on clear data. All right, click on clear data. Once you click on clear data, everything that is here, including that Amazon KDP stuff, is gone. If you use this account and if you use this browser and host it, Amazon KDP, another Amazon KDP account again, there will be no problem. But before then, you also have to uninstall this Chrome browser. You also have to uninstall it and install it back. Okay, sorry. You also have to uninstall the Chrome browser. You also have to uninstall the Chrome browser and install it back so that the data there will be no remnant of any Amazon KDP stuff. You will just start it afresh. Okay, so that is that. So uninstall. This is where we are. Uninstall and reinstall the browser again. That is where we are, and I've talked about that. Do this before opening a new Amazon KDP account after termination. Okay, set up your phone. This one, you are going to set up your phone VPN, setting your email application to avoid tracking. That one is very, very important. Your phone VPN, that is what I will show you right away. Your phone VPN, you have to set your phone VPN. Okay guys, I want to show you this particular one, setting up your email application to avoid tracking. Okay, so I want to show you how that one works. I want to show you this one. Sorry. Let me show you how it works. This particular one here, I want to show you how to set it to avoid tracking. Okay, so you go to your email application. This is my email application. Okay, before I take you to my email application, let me show you this. I think you should read this first. Okay, how email tracking works. The sender of the email embeds an invisible 1x1 pixel image, so-called pixel tracker, into the message or an attached document. When you open it, the email server requests that tiny image from the server where it's stored. That request reveals the opening time, the location, and the device, which is then passed on to the sender. Okay, this technology is often used by marketers. Guys, let me scroll it gently so that you can go and read it. You can pause the video and read it. I came across this online. This is how to fix the problem. You can read this later. You can be pausing the video and be reading it. Okay, so I will not really spend time discussing this. Okay, so all phone type, Android phones, Samsung phones, iPhones, all types of phone can also do this. I came across this online, so I decided to share. All right, so what this person was trying to narrate here is that when someone send an email to you, if you notice your email, they always attach a little tiny picture. All right, a little tiny picture. You will see that someone will send you an email, and they will attach a picture. Let me check if I can see something like that. Okay, this is supposed to show an email. Sorry, this is supposed to show a picture. A picture supposed to show here. A very big picture supposed to show here. Okay, and also a picture supposed to show here. There's a logo that's supposed to appear here, but those logo could not appear. The reason is that I stopped them from appearing. When a particular website want to track you through email, what they will do is for them to attach a tiny picture or a big picture, and that picture, there's how they will do it, and there's how they will there's what they will do to that picture, such that once you open the picture, you view the picture, and now your information, your location, your phone device, everything concerning you will now be sent back to the sender. The sender can now detect and know where you are at that moment. Okay, so this was what the person was trying to explain. All right, this was what the person was trying to explain here. I came across this online, and I decided to investigate. I decided to do a research on it, and I found out that it is true. Okay, the sender of the email embeds an invisible 1x1 pixel. It will be small. It will not be a big image like that. It will be small, but as small as it is, it can carries all your information and send it back to the sender. Okay, so you can read this later. I will not have time to read it. So all you have to do is for you to come to your email Okay, for example, let me show you something. I believe some of us might have received this email from Abraham Ayejina, our mentor. Yeah, some of us might have received this email from him. Okay, if you check that email, if you check your own email, this same email that he sent to me, he also sent it to you if you are his student. Okay, so if you check here, I'm not saying that he was trying to track me. No, it's not. He wasn't trying to track me. He was only passing an information to me. But I'm just using this as an example. I see this tiny image. There's a big picture here. If you check your own, you'll realize that there's a big picture that is here, that will appear here. But my own cannot appear because I stop it. Okay, and if Abraham now want to track me and know where my location is, he will find it very difficult because I stop this image here from showing in my phone. I do that through my email application. Okay, there's another email, there's another picture here. If you check, if you receive this same email, if you receive this same email, then you should know what I'm talking about. There's a picture here. There's a picture here, but the picture cannot open here because I stopped it from opening. Okay, so that is it. That is it, and it's very, very important. It's very, very important. Someone will not be able to track you through email. Okay, so now let me show you how to do it. You come to your, let's assume this is your email address. Come down here, click on settings. Once you click on settings, click on the email address that you want to set it. Go scroll down here, click on images. Once you click on images, normally by default it will be in number 1. It will be in number 1. Always display external images. Okay, by default it will be in that first one. Change it to ask before displaying external images. Also disables dynamic emails. Once you click on it, it means that no matter how hard someone may try to track you through email, the person will not be able. Okay, any mail that is coming to your email with an intention to track you, with the intention to track you, you'll find it very difficult to track you because of that. Because tracking someone through email, they always use a tiny pixel, a tiny picture, a 1x1 pixel, a tiny picture that is 1x1 pixel to track your information from your phone. Okay, so once you do that, you can do that to all your emails. And that will stop someone from invading into your privacy. Okay, so let's see where we stop. Okay, the next thing is for you to change your phone IP address, and the other one is install a VPN, and VPN location use only when you want to publish or check your book report. Optional, and sign out KDP. Sign out from KDP after using. This one is very, very, I will not recommend this one for you to do. Okay, and installing a VPN and use it only when you want to publish your book in Amazon and sign out is very stressful. Number one, you have to use that same location. If you are in that country, you have to use that same location. You don't change location anyhow. Maybe today you put location in Japan, and tomorrow you put location in Canada, and next tomorrow you put your location in another different country. If you keep changing like that, Amazon will see all these locations. They wonder, how can this person migrate from one country to another in 1 week? This person has been able to be in 5 or 10 different countries. How possible? They will now understand that maybe you use a VPN, using that VPN to change your phone location for them not to track you, and that can also lead Amazon to terminate your account. So you have to put one. You have to always use one location at a time, at least 2 weeks. Let's just say if you change the location later, they would say, okay, maybe he traveled to another place But if you use different location, maybe today in the morning you put Japan, in the afternoon when you log in again to check your book report, or to check or to publish or to do one thing or the other, you put Canada. In the evening when you want to sign in again and check something, you put London. They will now wonder how possible is. They will now wonder how possible it is for you to be able to migrate from one country to another in just a limited period of time. Okay, so they will now understand that you are using a VPN, so that they will not be able to track you, and that they will still terminate your account, because your location is diverse, your location is not steady. Okay, so I don't recommend this particular one. Install a VPN and VPN location used only when you want to publish or check your book report. You might forget, that is the problem. You might forget to put your VPN location when you want to publish, or when you want to sign in. You might even forget to on your VPN when you want to log in. You might even forget to on your VPN. When you forget to on your VPN, it means that your actual location is what Amazon will see, because you signing into a website, that particular website has already detected, captured your location, your device, everything that you are using to browse them. It will be detected in their database. Okay, so they will now look at it and they will be wondering how come you manipulate this. You are able to manipulate it. So I don't recommend someone to use this particular VPN. No matter how good a VPN is, I don't recommend someone to use it. Instead, there's a method I would like to show you people. Okay, there's a method I would like to show you so that you can follow. If you follow that method, it will be very, very okay. So changing your phone, let's go back to the third one. Changing your phone IP address, that is what I recommend. That is what I recommend. Changing your phone IP address, this is what I recommend. Yes, this one is very, very easy. So to do that, you have to come over here to your settings. Let me type here settings. Settings, phone IP address. You have to, first of all, before you do that, before you go to these settings, you come here to your browser and check your location. Check your location. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Come here and browse. What is, oh sorry, I click on another thing. What is my IP address? That is, look up, you will see the website. What is my IP address? Okay, search it. Once you search it, it will open like this, and it will tell you the location that you are. I'm in Ogun State now. Okay, but that is not my actual location, but according to the settings that I made, it now changed me to Ogun State. Okay, in Nigeria. That Ogun State in Nigeria, I will change it to another state in Nigeria. Because I'm in Nigeria, it doesn't matter if I can change from one state to another. But in one country, they will understand that maybe you are a businessman, you move your business, you do your business from one state to another, and they will understand that it's in one country. But when you now move from one country to another, or you now move to 4 different countries in a day, they will now start to wonder, how many hours do we have in a day? How do you manage to travel from these 4 or 5 different countries just in one day? They will wonder, and they will start suspecting you. Okay, so all you have to do here is for you to check the location. We are now in Ogun State, and check the IP address. The IP address here stop at 79. Please take note of that, because we will come for that later. The IP address stop at 79. So all we have to do here is for us to come here. You go to your settings. Let's go back to the settings. You go to the settings, more network, more connections. You click on more connections. You click on more connections. You see VPN here. You click on VPN. Sorry, not VPN, not VPN. Not VPN. Okay, you are not clicking more connection, you are clicking Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi here. Once you click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have an external Wi-Fi device. It could be phone, it could be another Wi-Fi device, but make sure that you have an external Wi-Fi device around you when you want to do this process. Okay, so all you have to do now is for you to click here, click on your Wi-Fi. Once you on your Wi-Fi, I have an external Wi-Fi network here, so the name of the Wi-Fi will come out. The name of the Wi-Fi will come out. This is the name of my Wi-Fi, an external Wi-Fi. So I will put the password. Let me pause this video and put the password. Connect. Okay, you can see it's connected. The thing is connected, right? So what we want to do now is for us to change the IP address. Remember that our IP address was in Ogun State, and 71 was the last digit there. I believe 71. Okay, 79 was the last digit there. So all we have to do now is for us to you have to click on that. You click on advanced option. Once you click on advanced option, okay, all right, so let's go back again. Okay, click on the Wi-Fi itself. Click on the Wi-Fi. It's either you click on advanced options down here, or you click on the Wi-Fi itself. So I'm clicking on the Wi-Fi itself. So once I click on the Wi-Fi itself, the Wi-Fi is connected. All right, the Wi-Fi is connected. Let me off my MTN data. So you come here. I will come here and click. I'll come here and click. This is my IP address. This is where we are going to do the changing. This is my IP address. Okay, so all you have to do is for you to click up here. If you look up here by the right, you will see something that looks like biro. So click on that particular something that looks like pen. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this. Once it appears like this, you click this arrow that is pointing down. You click on it, that arrow that is pointing down. Okay, sorry, that arrow that is pointing down. You will see IP settings. You see proxy. Leave proxy. Don't do anything to proxy. And you see IP settings. Click on IP settings. Put it in static. All right. Once you put it in static, this number will come out. Okay, so you have to type this number. You have to type in this number. This number is 192.168.1.128. Okay, how can I cram this? 192.168. 192.168. I don't like cramming, that's my problem. 168.1.128. 1. Okay, once you do it, 128 is the last digit there. You can change that 8 and put something like 9. Okay, the gateway, you leave gateway. Okay, this one is you completed 8.8.4.4. You put it like this. Then you have changed the IP address. If you like, you can change the gateway. Let's change the gateway from 1, the last one, from 1 to 2, and then you now click save. Okay, you click save. Once you click save, and then you on your data back. Once you on your data back, you go to your browser and confirm your location again. All you have to do, is for you to refresh the page. Okay, remember it was in Ogun State, so you have to refresh this page. You have to refresh this page, refresh the page. If you refresh, you see now start 79 is no longer there, it's now 181. Okay, I mean the IP address now it's not, it will not be in Ogun State again. Oh, it's still at Ogun State, but the IP address has changed. Okay, the city has changed. The previous one was not in Ota in Ogun State, so now it has changed to another city. Okay, I want to change it from Ogun State totally to another state. Okay, just click the up here the way I show you. Click up here, you can change here from 128, from 129 to 126, and then we can change this one to let's say 0, or let's just put that one, let that one be there. Just put it like that. You click on save, you click on save. Okay, you click on save. Then let's go back and check if it will change. You see, we are now changing the location from Ogun State to Lagos, Nigeria. From Ogun State, and now check, look at the IP address. The IP address is now changing to 112 last, and now our location is in Oshodi, Lagos State. Is no longer in Ogun State. Okay, so if Amazon track you now, it will show that you are in Ogun State, and this your device is changing entirely. If you tamper in IP address, in your IP address, if you tamper in your phone IP address, it means that you have changed your device entirely. If someone want to track you, what is showing here is the location that is showing here is the location that it will be shown to that person if someone want to track you. So if Amazon try to track you now, they will see this location here. Okay, and your phone IP address is changing. It will not be the same IP address that they know when you use their former Amazon KDP account that they terminated. Okay, the IP address will change. It will not look the same with this particular one. The IP address is changing, and also your phone location is also changing. So they will not know that you are the same person. They will not have any idea that you are the same person. So that is how to change your phone IP address. And even if you still come here and disable and off your Wi-Fi, your external Wi-Fi, and still come here and refresh the page to see where you are. Okay, you refresh the page to see where you are. As you can see, you are still there. You are still at that Oshodi. Okay, you are still at that Oshodi in Lagos. So that is how to do it. Before you do this, you must use your external Wi-Fi. You must use your external Wi-Fi and connect it. And after connecting it to your external Wi-Fi, you can go back again. And change your Wi-Fi from that static to DHD. Let it connect. I will show you what I'm talking about. Let it connect. Please wait for it. Okay, it's connected. All right, so all you have to do is for you to click on it. You click up here like I showed you before. You change it from static here, you put it to DHCP. You click on save so that it will return to normal. That was how it was. And if you don't change it back, that Wi-Fi might not connect to the internet again. Okay, so that is how to do it. All right, so the next thing here, let me close this tab. So if you want to use VPN, I will recommend you to use any of these two VPNs. Okay, it's very, very good. Let's go inside one of them and see. Let me choose this Thunder VPN. Okay, let's go inside and see how it is. All right, it's very good, but I still don't recommend it to any. I still don't recommend the use of VPN in this Amazon business, because you might forget. Okay, once you are here, click on here, any state that you want to put, and please, you have to maintain that state, sorry, that country. Click on any country that you want to put. Or from here, you have to get a premium version. You have to pay money and get the premium version before you can access this other part. But this other part here is free. This other country here is free. Okay, these other ones are free. So you click on any country of your choice, and then you click on connect down here. That's all. You click on connect down there. That's all. Okay, so that is for Thunder VPN. And we also have Star VPN. This one, they used to give some data in both Airtel, FTN, and other network. Yeah, you can still do the same thing here. You can connect, put it to any location of your choice, and it will browse. Okay, the reason why I don't like it, if you click here to change location, the reason why I don't like VPN at all is because you might forget to on the VPN, and before you know it, Amazon will now detect where you are browsing from. Okay, so that is that for VPN and IP address. How to change the IP address. Use the same location at the time. I've already mentioned that. Confirm your new location IP address via whatismylocation.com. Sorry, it is not where is my location.com. It is where is my IP address.com. That is the name of the website. What is my IP address.com. Okay, so install DuckDuckGo browser. One of the best app I will recommend for someone to use and do Amazon KDP and host a new Amazon KDP account is DuckDuckGo browser. The browser is very, very good. The DuckDuckGo browser is very, very good. For example, if you come over here to Play Store, and you search DuckDuckGo browser, you are going to see its features. To tell you that this particular browser is very good. The browser has its own extension. It has its own VPN. The browser is very, very good. It has a tracker restrictor. You can enroll your apps, all the apps in your phone, into this particular browser, and the browser has the ability to protect it and restrict trackers from tracking your apps and tracking your device to get access to your device information. Okay, I've already installed it, so let's check. Let us see the features of this particular VPN. Click on it. I've already installed it. That is the reason why they asked me to open. I'm already using it. So let us go ahead and check the features of this particular VPN. Okay, where can we go? Where can I click? So if you go to your Play Store, make sure you click here. Once it appears like this and it shows install, make sure you click on this place. You click on this arrow. Once you click on it, it will take you to inside so that you can read the content, the features of this particular web browser. Okay, you can see, if you read, you will see many things. Feature, it has it has tracker cookies while browsing, right? If you go and browse, if you go and check it yourself, you'll see, right? Block email trackers. Block email trackers. You can see over 85% of emails sent to DuckDuck addresses contain trackers that can detect when you've opened a message. Like I said, it's very good. Protect your privacy in other apps. Like I said, you can put all other apps, you can enroll other apps in this DuckDuckGo browser, and this DuckDuckGo browser will protect those apps from external source to track. It will protect other websites from tracking that particular app. All right. So it's very good. It's very good. Okay, use your details and open a new Amazon. Okay, let me not go there yet. Okay, let me show you something quickly before I continue. So make sure you come here and read about all the features that this browser has. Okay, come and read about all the features that this browser has. Alright, so I want to show you something quickly before I proceed to another thing. Let me show you something. Okay, so this is my DuckDuckGo browser application. So I'll go inside, I'll click it. Once I click it, you will see something like this, or that is settings. It will appear like this. It will appear like this. You can search here. If you want to search something from the internet, you search from that side. If you want to go into settings, okay, you can read up here. And you will see app tracking protection block 620 tracking attempts in Chrome and three other apps. You can see that as I was using the Chrome browser, they were also trying to track me, but because that Chrome application, that Chrome browser, I put it here in DuckDuckGo browser for tracking protection. So any tracking attempt that is coming from that Chrome browser will not be able to track me, because the Chrome browser is already here for tracking protection. So nothing can track me from that Chrome browser, right? No website can track me from that Chrome browser. All right. So I will show you how to do it. Click on this three dots here if you want to enroll your apps to avoid tracking. Click on this three dots by the right hand side here. Alright, click on the three dots there. Once you click on the three dots, click settings. Once you click settings, it will appear like this. As you can see, it has you can make it your default browser. It has a private search. My private search is enabled by default. Web tracking protection, this is very important. Web tracking protection, if you click it, you will see it will open like this, and it shows here enabled. I enable it, and the cookies of protection, email protection. This DuckDuckGo, you can also use this DuckDuckGo and create your email. All right, and create your email. Okay, so this is app tracking protection. This is where you put all your apps. As you can see, I have 10,774 blocking attempts. Let me tell you something. Once you enter a website, once you enter any particular website, the intention of that website is for them to track you automatically. Once you just search, for example, you search Amazon.com and it will open. Once Amazon.com start loading, before it open, it's trying to track you. It's trying to know who you are, where you are browsing from, your data information, everything about your device. It wants to track you. Okay, so this, if you put your app here, like as you can see, these are all my apps. I enroll them here, and you can see that VP. I have tracking. I have some trackings. So these are the sites that are tracking me. These are the sites. Google track me. If you click, for example, if you click on this Chrome browser now, you will see these are the information that they wanted to collect from my device. 7 attempts known to collect. They wanted to collect screen density. They wanted to know the screen, my phone screen density. That was what they wanted to know. Screen resolution. That was what they wanted to know. Rotation data. These are the information they need. If you click on show more, these are the things they wanted to track. this birthday. They even want to know my birthday. Look at it. They even want to know my birthday. Even gender. They also want to know my gender. Who is chatting? Who is browsing? Is it a male or a female? My email address. You see, almost everything. They want to know almost everything. MTN. Is he using Airtel? Network. Is he using Airtel or MTN? Glow or Etisalat? You can see device language. Is my device using English or Chinese, or is it France that I use? See, everything they want to collect. These are the data that they wanted to collect. Phone model, device model, everything. This automatically they want to track. These are the things that they want to get from you automatically. Amazon also do the same thing. Let me show you that of Amazon. Amazon, you also track. Amazon own is the worst. If they list their own tracking attempt, it will shock you. So let me look for Amazon. I did not enter Amazon today. That is the reason. If I browse Amazon now and come back, you will see it. I did not enter Amazon today. Okay, let me see. Amazon is here. I enter Amazon today. I entered Amazon website today. That's the reason why Amazon is showing here. This is Amazon. They wanted to get 17 information from me. I remember that time I was trying to show you how to send a message, an appeal message to Amazon using that particular part that says contact us in Amazon KDP. Okay, that was the moment they attempted to track me. All right, this is Amazon, as you can see. This is Amazon today, some minutes ago, and this was what they wanted to know. Last name, in fact, network connection type, device orientation, cookies, device model. All these are the things they wanted to know. These are the things they wanted to. These are the information they needed. Okay, but they failed because this particular browser blocked it here. If you check here, you will see it shows that DuckDuckGo blocked 431 tracking attempts. This was only attempt to track me, but DuckDuckGo has blocked it. Okay, so DuckDuckGo is very, very good. Once you are here, try and enroll all your apps here. Okay, it's very easy. Try and enroll all your apps here. Okay, try and enroll all your apps here. Very, very easy. So let's say that you want to put all your apps in this browser for tracking protection. All right, so that this browser can protect your applications, your other applications for you. Click on settings. All you have to do is to click on settings. Once you click on settings, scroll down and click on app tracking and protection. Scroll down. Once you are here, click on view apps. All right, here, click on view apps. You will see all the list of apps that you have in your phone. Okay, so those ones, the reason is that I have already enrolled these ones. Those ones that, okay, like this one, like this Boomplay, I did not enroll it. So all I have to do is for me to on this tab, this Boomplay. So now it means if they want to track me, if Boomplay now want to track me, it will be very difficult for them because I have on it is now in browsing protection now. Okay, it is now in browsing protection. You can off any of them, but it's very risky. You can off any of them, but it's very risky. Okay, it's very risky. So just on it. This particular Thunder VPN, I off it, but I have to on it. Okay, any app that you did not enroll will appear here. WPS Office, I will enroll it. any app that you did not include here, it means that app doesn't have tracking protection. If they want to track you from that application, it will be very, very possible. But any app that is here, any application that you enroll here, even my email address is here, even my email application, my Gmail application is here. So if they want to track me from Gmail, it will be very difficult. And that same Gmail, I have already blocked the image, how do they call it, tracking, which I showed you earlier how to do it. So it means that they cannot track me from the main email itself, and because the email address is also, the email application is also here, so it is being protected in two sides here and the main Gmail application. So this application, this browser is very, very good. I forgot to tell you that this browser has its own VPN. It has its own VPN. All right. You don't, if you have this browser and you don't feel like you should install a VPN, then it's okay. The browser has its own VPN. Just click here, app tracking protection. All right, app tracking protection. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. So if you want to know if the DuckDuckGo app has a VPN, all you have to do is for you to go to your settings. I think from your setting you would check connection. Okay, connection. Once you click connection, you'll see VPN here. Okay, these are the VPN that I have in my phone. This is the VPN that I have in my phone. I have 3 VPN. I did not put the other one here. If you want to put your VPN here, any VPN that you have in your phone, you click on this plus sign down here. So this is DuckDuckGo VPN up here, and as you can see, I put it on always on. I put it on always on. Okay, so that is that for this VP. That is that for this browser, for this DuckDuckGo browser. The browser is very, very good, very, very good. I recommend it for someone to use and host his or her Amazon KDP account. If you use it, you will not have any problem. They will not be able to track you. The browser has the ability to protect your privacy. Okay, let's go back to where we stop. Okay, we stop at enroll DuckDuckGo settings, enable, go to DuckDuckGo settings, enable app tracking protection. I talked about that. Enroll all your apps to the app tracking for tracking protection. I talked about that. Go to your phone settings, go to more connection, press VPN and DuckDuckGo browser. I talked about that. Click on the settings icon and set DuckDuckGo browser VPN as always on. I talked about that. Check your phone IP address. I've shown you people that already. Okay, I've shown you people that earlier. Use your details and open a new Amazon KDP account. Before I forget, some people always have that. Some people are always scared when they want to create a new Amazon KDP account. They feel like they should get someone else's detail and use it to create their new Amazon KDP account, and they feel that if they use their details, their Amazon might detect it and their account might be terminated. Their new Amazon KDP account might be terminated. And of course, although this statement is not 100% true, it's not 100% true. The only thing that is true there is that if you use your same Amazon, if you use the same email that you used in the previous Amazon KDP account that was terminated, and you use that same email to create a new Amazon KDP account, Amazon will flag that your account. They will detect it that this email has been used before in our platform, so they will trace and know who is using it again to create a new Amazon KDP account. So it's not advisable to use that previous email that you use in the old account to create a new Amazon KDP account. But you can still use your same detail, your same name, and of course you are not the only person bearing that your name in the whole world, or you are not the only person bearing that your name that is using Amazon KDP. Okay, there are so many people using your name out there. For example, if you go to Facebook, you search your name, you see series of names, series of people bearing that name, that your name, exactly the name. Series of people, Facebook will show you the list of people bearing that your name. So the same thing is applicable to Amazon. There might be many people bearing that your name, exactly the way your name is in Amazon. So Amazon will not know who is this one, who is that one. Has any of these people used our platform before? They will not be able to know. Only if you use a different email, an email that you have not used before in publishing your book in Amazon KDP. So if you use a new email and you do all the steps that I show you, you change your IP address in case you don't have money to buy a new phone and you still want to use your old phone, then changing the IP address, the method, using the method that I just showed you in this video is highly recommendable. That is what you need. You have to change your phone IP address so that your phone will look like another phone. It will not, your phone IP address will change, your location will change, they will be confused. They will not know that you are still the same person using their platform. They will think that it's another person, it's a new person entirely that is opening Amazon KDP account, not knowing that it is their old customer, someone that they blocked or terminated his or her account before. So changing your phone IP address using the method that I showed you is very important. In case you don't have money to buy another device, laptop or phone, you can still use the same device that you used in hosting your former Amazon KDP account to host the new Amazon KDP account. The only thing you have to do is for you to change to clear the caches and the cookies from that browser. Uninstall the browser, install the browser again, or you use a different browser. I recommend this DuckDuckGo browser for everyone. Follow all the settings that I have made in the video. Follow all the settings and host your Amazon KDP account using a different email that you have not used before. You can still allow that same SIM card that you used to be there. You can still use that same SIM card. And of course, changing your IP address simply means that you have changed everything that has to do with connection, okay, to another different address. So anything concerning your phone has changed as long as you have changed that IP address successfully the way I've changed it, and you check your location through whatismyipaddress.com. You use that and check the location, and your location has changed. So it simply means that your phone location information in your phone has changed. So Amazon will not know, they will not be able to detect where you are browsing from if you are their old author trying to use a new Amazon KDP account. Okay, after getting flagged, after getting your old Amazon KDP account closed, they will not know. Okay, so make sure you follow all the steps that I showed you in this, that I'm showing you in this video, and it will help you. Okay, you can still use your details and create your account. Hear me very well. You can still use your details. You don't have to go around asking people to help you with their details, with their information, so that you use and create another Amazon KDP account. No, you can still use your detail, your exactly everything, location, your address, everything, but don't use the same email and don't use that same don't use the same email and don't use that same browser. If you must use that same browser, in case you have problem installing other browser, you have to install the browser before you have to uninstall the browser. Before uninstalling the browser, you have to first of all clear the caches and the cookies. and then go ahead and install the browser, uninstall the browser, then install the browser back, use it and host your Amazon KDP account. But before hosting the Amazon KDP account, first of all, change your IP address the way I showed you. Use that website, whatismyipaddress.com, to check and confirm if your phone location and IP address has really changed. Be sure that it has really changed before you now go ahead and do other settings. And if you are using DuckDuckGo browser, of which I recommend for people to use, then go to the settings and follow up the steps, that all the processes that I'm showing in this video, all the processes, the steps. Enroll, include all your apps, all your phone applications, include them in that particular browser for tracking protection, so such that if someone want to track you, if a particular website want to track your information, they will not be able to track you. And also, don't forget to go to your email, your email application. Just like Gmail. Gmail is an application that you go there, you go to your Gmail application and do some settings. That image, scroll down to image. Once you scroll down to image, then you click on ask before. If you watch this video from the beginning, then I'm sure you should know what I'm talking about. Set that one, do all these settings, okay? Do all these settings before you now create a new Amazon KDP. If Amazon refuses to reinstall your account, your old terminated Amazon KDP account back within the period of 1 month, and you feel like you should go ahead and open a new Amazon KDP account, then you should follow all the things that I do in this video, and I'm sure it will really help you. That is what helped me. I have 3 Amazon KDP accounts. One was 2 of them was terminated. The first Amazon KDP account, my first Amazon KDP account was terminated in February. Then I opened another one in March. After opening the other one in March, last month, that particular one that I opened was terminated last month. And all the processes that I'm showing in this video was what I did, and they restored the account back. And the money that I had in that account is still there. The money that I had in that account is still there, okay? And they are going to pay me. And now I had already created a new Amazon KDP account. The third one is still there, and the second one that was terminated is still there. It's only the first one that I opened some months ago that is not yet restored, of which I'm still working on its restoration. Okay, I'm still doing some settings so that Amazon can restore the account back. They can open the account back. Okay, so follow all the steps that I do in this video, and I'm sure it will help you very well. And I also said it here that you can use another person's details, but it is optional. It is you that choose to use it because of fear, but I see no fear in that. They are the new Amazon KDP accounts that I just created this month. It's my same details that I use. Okay, I use my same detail, but I use a different email. I create another email. I create another foreign bank account, and I use my same detail. The only difference is that I am using a new email. I create another foreign bank account, and I'm using DuckDuckGo browser with all the settings that I showed you. So this is what I do, and it really helped me. I'm sure it will help you. Okay, don't use the previous foreign bank account on the new Amazon KDP account. I've already talked about that severally in this video. Any new foreign bank account you are using must correspond with the name of your new KDP account. Okay, any name that you are using in your foreign bank account, it has to be the same name that you are using in your new Amazon KDP account, so that you can be able to link your bank details into that Amazon KDP account for your royalties when it's time for them to pay you your royalty. Okay, so that is that. Use incognito tab and sign in the new Amazon KDP, excluding DuckDuckGo browser. The reason why I put excluding DuckDuckGo browser is because DuckDuckGo browser doesn't have incognito tab. it doesn't have incognito tab. Okay, so you can only browse it plain like that, straightforward. So if you are using the Kiwi browser or Chrome browser, you can use incognito tab, there's no problem. But there's no incognito tab in DuckDuckGo browser. That's the reason why I put it excluding DuckDuckGo browser. This prevents your new Amazon KDP from getting tracked, and it helps to protect your data information. So guys, that is that for this video. Thank you very much for your time. I'm sorry that the video is long, and although the video is long and it's educative, and I'm sure it will help you in getting your Amazon KDP account back. And I'm sure if you can't get it back, it will also help you to create a new Amazon KDP account to avoid Amazon from tracking you. It will guide you so that you will not be tracked by Amazon. Thank you very much. Please help us and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the like button. And if you have any difficulty, reach us in our community. Make sure you join our Telegram community. We will respond to you successfully. And I pray that this video will help you to get your Amazon KDP account back if your account has been terminated. But if your account has not been terminated before, please be careful of the things you do. Okay, thank you very much. My name remains Anie'sam. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.